Hey up guys, how you doing? So I've come to Shipley tramway, which opened in 1895. We do have an original tram there, well, a replica. We do have little Toby. Here's a small little museum of what used to be here. As you can see, that's for the tram to take them up the hill. It's like a pulley system. I'm not going. Alright.
Yeah, it's alright. Keeping an eye on the platform and the museum at the moment.
Can't see. I can't see.
You can't see?
No. Can't see just there.
Well, can you see the tram tracks?
Yeah. And track.
Tram tracks.
Down track. Down track.
Tram tracks.
Down track. Down track. Down track. Down track. Down track. Down track. Down track.
Tram tracks.
Down track. How can I see down track?
So that's the bottom of Shipley Glen tramway, and there's the top. And as you can see, there's the track. All the way down there and all the way up there. So we're making our way to the top, and then we're gonna try and get the tram on the way down. But there you go, another quick look at that pulley system up there. There's the other tram. There's a frame there of one of the original ones, and then there's a tram there, as you can see.
Dad.
Yeah, sweetie. I'll get you a bit closer to the tracks. So this is the top part of it. As you can see, built in 1895. It's not quite open just yet.
We open it at 12 o'clock.
Yeah. And we've got our little Toby watering floor, of course. So there's where we've just walked up. It's only taking maybe about 15 minutes to walk from bottom to the top. As you can see, there's the tram and its little station. There's also, don't know if you'll be able to see that, it says Shipley Glen. There's a little station there, and they've got platforms down there. Fortunately, I can't really go over there because it's somebody's garden. So if I extend you a little bit, there you go, there's a sign that says Shipley Glen. The tram behind the little bushes there. And of course, the station at the top. Yay! We're on the tram! All to ourselves! How good is that? Little Toby eating his lollipop. Yay! Is this fun? It is, isn't it? There's some old sleepers. And some more there. Wow! Beautiful, this, isn't it? All the bluebells, wild garlic, and there's one coming back up. You got to wave to everybody. You're gonna wave to them. Wave to everybody. You got to wave, huh? You got to wave at everybody. Say, hey-o. 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 Wow, this is amazing, this, isn't it? More sleepers there. Wow, that was a good, wasn't it? We're nearly at the bottom now. More old sleepers there. We're slowing down. Oh, a butterfly. So if you like the video, guys, come and like and subscribe, comment, I'd appreciate it, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care, bye for now.